So in question number 2, we have E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. State whether EF parallel QR. So according to this question, first we'll make one triangle and name of this triangle is PQR. PQR. And here E and F. E and F are points on the side PQ and PR. So in this side we have one point and name of this point is E. And in this side we have one point and the name of that point is F. This is given according to this question. So I'll join these 2 points now. So according to this question, we will check EF whether this line is parallel with this QR or not. This we will check according to this question. And as we know, according to Thales theorem, if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then the ratio of the remaining side will be equal with each other. Now first I will find the ratio of this side and I'll compare this side ratio with this side ratio. If I'll get the value same, then these two lines are parallel with each other, otherwise not. Means that is converse of Thales theorem. So PE by EQ or QE. For this 1, 2 and 3 diagram will be same, just value will be different. Now if I'll compare the ratio here, then PE by EQ. So right here PE by EQ, you just write the value of PE. PE means here 3.9 by EQ means 3 centimeter. Now just you divide 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So after cancelling, answer is 1.3 centimeter. This side ratio is 1.3 centimeter. Now this side ratio also I will check. PF by FR. So value of PF given 3.6 and FR given here 2.4. So point you cancel and write without point 36 by 24. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. 3 by 2. When you will divide this, then you will get 1.5 centimeter. Now PF by FR ratio I have got 1.5 centimeter and PE by EQ ratio I have got 1.3 centimeter. So these two value not same with each other. So I can say these two lines are not parallel with each other. So therefore PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So EF is not parallel with QR. Ratio not equal, so this line is not parallel with each other. This is converse of Thales theorem. Now we'll do for question number 2. And to solve this question number 2 also exactly I'll do like 1. I'll just compare the sides of this ratio with these sides. If I'll get the value same, then parallel, otherwise not. So PE by QE, because we have got here QE, so PE by QE means PE by QE. So just place the value of PE. PE means 4 and QE means 4.5. So to remove this point, I'll increase 1 0 in numerator part. Now I'll write without point. 5 9s are 45 and 5 8s are 40. So ratio is 8 by 9. Now this side ratio I'll compare. PF by RF equal to PF value given 8, so write here 8, and RF value given 9, so write here 9. Now you check 8 by 9 and here also 8 by 9. So these two sides ratio equal with each other. So I'll write EF is parallel with QR. If you get the ratio value same, then we'll say parallel, otherwise not. Now we'll do for question number 3. Exactly in same way we will compare this ratio. So PE by EQ. Here PE value given 0.18 by EQ means this EQ. EQ value not given in our question, but PQ value given here. So PQ minus, if I'll do PQ minus PE, PQ minus PE, then I'll get EQ value. So I've written here minus. Now 0.18 by PQ means 1.28, so right here 1.28 minus PE means right here 0.18. If you'll do minus, then 0.18 by 8 minus 8 is 0, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1 is 1 point. Here we have 1, so right here 1. So write in next step here after point 2 digit, here after point 2 digit. So without point you write 18 by 110. Now 2 9s are 18 and 2 55s are 110. So ratio I have got here 9 by 55. Now I'll find this side ratio. PF by FR. PF value given here 0.36. So write as it is. FR not given here, but total PR given. So right here PR minus PF. If you will do, then you will get FR value. So PF. So 0.36 by PR given in our question 2.56. So right here 2.56 minus PF 0.36. So right here 0.36. So 0.36 right as it is. Now this 2 you do minus 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 3 2. Point you write as it is. 2 you write as it is. Now after point 2 digit, here also after point 2 digit, so write here without point 36 by 220. Now 4 9s are 36 and 4 5s are 20, but here we have 22, so 2 you shift here, then become 20, so 4 5s are 20. So ratio I have got here 9 by 55. So here also 9 by 55 and here also I have got 9 by 55. These two ratio equal with each other, means I can say or I can write EF parallel with QR. So before writing, just you compare these two ratio value, means PE by EQ equal PF by FR. So PF by FR. Why equal? Because I have got the same ratio value, means 9 by 55 and here also 9 by 55. And if these two side ratio equal with each other, then I can say or I can write show EF is parallel with QR. So finally I have solved for all these three questions. Thank you.